Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daydran. Reggae artist Jah9 is slated to make her return to the Jamaican stage this Saturday at the Lost in Time Festival. She shared her excitement with E Prime early this month at the media launch of the event.
Well, it is a pleasure to be performing in Jamaica again, a live performance, first one since I've been back from Africa, so I'm looking forward to that. I am ready to reintroduce myself to my Jamaican family and just, share some vibes, share some positive energy.
Now, Romain Virgo, who was also in attendance, shared with E Prime the exclusive on his upcoming album, The Gentleman, which is slated for release next month.
Beautiful album. This is probably my best effort to date. 12 tracks on it. Some of my favorite artists. Jesse Royal is on the album. Massacre. Capleton is on the album. Afrobeats artist from Nigeria by the name of Pato Rankin is on the album as well. And all I can say, it's my best work to date.
He also shared the meaning behind his single, Been There Before with Massacre.
It means everything for me because this is where I'm coming from, sometimes you grow up poor and you don't even know sometimes. Sometimes you go through some struggles and you feel like you will never get over it. And I've been there before. Like there's so many things that I've been through, so many things that I see my family go through, so many things that I'm going through even today.
And Kali, who is also in attendance, shared her plans for 2024.
I will be in Europe, and also I should be releasing an album end of the year or early next year. Definitely more good music and more good vibes.
Trinidadian singer Kez the Band astonished with the growth of soca music in Jamaica. Speaking earlier today on TVJ's Small Jamaica program, the soca sensation stated that he is in awe to see how the genre is growing among the Jamaican people.
I've been coming to Jamaica since 2000. And for it to grow and for not just the band and the brand, but also just soca music in general to be growing in this market is always a blow mind.
I think
to see Sabina full out with soca. It's a joy. It's a joy because we are one Caribbean.
And marketing manager at Exodus Carnival, Shanique Hayden, says soca music has become popular due to its energy.
I feel like soca music is feel-good music. It's one of those music that really gets you in the vibe and spirit to move. It's also, for me personally, I think carnival music, soca music, calypso music is story. It's about a story for me. So listening to the music, yes, the beats are nice and catchy, but the words are also so meaningful. So that's what I think. I really think that because carnival music is such feel-good music, that's why Jamaicans have gravitated towards it so much.
That is it for E Prime this evening. I am Daydran. Thank you for watching.